night another. It's for my birthday. Going to Vietnam. Vietnam, pero Ho Chi Minh. So Saigon. It's much more modern versus Hanoi na binisit ko last year. So very excited. I always hear na people would always choose Hanoi over Ho Chi Minh. So, and nagkaroon ng visa sale eh. So what am I gonna do? So, super excited. Birthday trip or something. So ang ganda nung airport nila, sobrang no mas no fuss. Parang naiya talaga, pero so much better. So just waiting for the Gojek. So Gojek yung pangalan nung isang Grab company nila here. I think ito na. Wait a minute. So I just got to the hostel. It's called Hideout. So isa siya sa mga super well-known hostels here in Ho Chi Minh. I think #1 ata siya. It's really known for its parties, ganun. It's my birthday, so gusto ako mag-party. So I'm staying in an 8-person dorm. Tapos, pagpasok ko pa lang, very French, reminiscent. Yung style with the paikot na the stairs, and super cute. Tapos ensuite yung bathroom, so at least that's good. Wow. Grabe yung weather, parang nasa Pilipinas pa rin ako. I mean, what do you expect? It's Vietnam weather. So, right now, kakatapos ko lang mag-check-in, ganun. And then, I'm gonna go to the cafe apartment. So, famous siyang place para siyang apartment style talaga na lugar. And then, nilagyan siya ng mga cafes. So, parang siyang isang malaking annex full of cafes. Super interesting. May Arabica. And then, may mga local, ganun. But what I'm really gonna try is egg coffee ulit. I tried egg coffee already nung nasa Hanoi. Pero, I wanna try it again. Nakalimutan ko na yung lasa eh. Sobrang init! Bring sunscreen. Hindi lang nagdadala ng sunscreen para sa beach. Anyway, talaga na may araw. Sobrang init. Kasi kailangan ko ganitohin yung leg ko kasi ang init. So bigla na po siya naghugas. Oh my god. Sorry?
How long Vietnamese?
I'm staying until Monday.
How are you?
I'm good. I just came yesterday.
Yeah.
Gonna explore around. Gonna go to the coffee apartment.
Blue.
Oh yeah. Wag niyo na po ako tanungin kung magkano yun. Let's just say, binudol ako ni Kuya. As in, binigay niya lahat. In-improve niya lahat. Pero like, mahal. Tingnan, mas nahulas tuloy ako. Isipin ko na mas malakas na. Mas pinatibay niya yung shoes ko. Ang hirap tumawad. Baka di ako pakawalan eh. Not believe it. Muntik na mabudol na naman. I mean, syempre, I did not let him. Shoe shiner din siya. So, yan yung coffee apartment. So, repurposed building siya and everything. I love the aesthetic. I love it. I love the aesthetic. Nice. May Arabico. Saan ba? I know may Arabica. Syempre, we're not going for that na ganyan sa Pilipinas. Nagre-recover pa ako sa budol. Wait lang. Hindi ka mag-get over. So, dito ka papasok. Yan. Para makakit ka doon sa taas. So, nandito na ako sa coffee apartment. So, as you can see, makita ko ng stairs. Ba't di ka pag-elevator? May bayad yung elevator. Pause. Alamin ko muna kung saan recommended mag-coffee dito. Wait, di ko kaya. So now na alam ko na yung lasa ng egg coffee na hot. Okay naman siya. Pero what would it taste like kapag may ice? Eh di mas malamig. Sure. Actually, mas masarap. Gusto ko na yung ice. Mas, I think, kung may potential lansa, mawawala siya kapag nang-ice. Super sarap. I love it. So this is actually 70,000 dong. Or this is in Saigon O. Kalimutan ko kung anong floor. Parang 3rd or 4th floor ata dito sa coffee apartments. Tapos mamaya pakita ko yung view. Ang init lang talaga. Hindi ko kaya. Hi! O diba? Pawis na pawis. Saigon. Uy! Ganun. May durian coffee ba? Ang dami naglilinis ng sapatos. Buiset. Magchichinelas na lang ako for now. I don't want to say how much she got, pero it's much more lower. Much lower. As in, sobrang hinagal ko talaga. Okay, fine. 450 yung hinihingi niya. Binigay ko para 120. Sabi ko talaga, this is it. Take it or leave it. Ganun. At tapos makaawa na ako. Diyos ko, sabi ko, walang pera ko. Stress. So, sobrang... feel ko isa pa lumapit sa akin. Tatakbo na lang ako. Kasi di ko talaga kaya. I swear, you have to be careful. Ayokong isipin yung how much na na-spend. Okay? Nakakaloka. Gusto niya kunin yung 500 ko. Like, nakatingin siya sa wallet ko. Gano'n. Sobrang hassle. So, itong mahabang yan until here, facing, ano ba to? City Hall or something. It's called Green Walking Street. It's the monument of Ho Chi Minh. So, siya ata yung leader during the revolution, during the Vietnam War, I think. So, from 1890 to 1969. Wow. Amazing. Sobrang spacious ng lugar na to. I mean, like, compared to the likes of Hanoi, sobrang spacious. So this is the Ben Thanh Market. Goal natin is makabili ng Ho Chi Minh shirt. Dami tao, ang dami tao. Sorry?
You buy something more.
No, this is okay. Thank you. Crossing the street in Vietnam should be a national sport, I swear. So I got the goods. So t-shirt and magnets and one keychain. Super nice. So I'm actually on the way to the Book Street. So Book Street, nalaman ko to kay Anisha. Shout out Anisha. Pumunta siya sa Book Street, sa Book Street. Tapos parang siyang ano, how do I describe it? Parang siyang aesthetic place. Tapos parang bookstore, na isang hilera lang sila ng mga stores. Tapos, would be cool to check what it's all about. Medyo madami akong energy kasi medyo malakas yung egg coffee kanina. Yung Notre Dame Cathedral, it's so pretty and under construction. Tsaka diba pala nito yung post office, oh. One of the ano din, parang tourist attraction. Sabi nila, to send yourself a letter or a loved one. Mag-FB Messenger na lang po ako. So, ginawa siya nung, I would assume, 1886. Tagal na pala nito. So, still under French colonial rule. And I think visible naman sa mga art, sa mga ano ba yun, accents na it's really French inspired. Nasa France pala ako or something. So it acts like a post office, pero maraming benta-benta. And pwede mag-book ng mga tours, gano'n. Kaya pa ba? Well, at least ito yung side ni Notre Dame. Kita pa. So, may mga Vietnamese titles and English titles here. Kailangan lang maghanap kasi I think halo-halo. The Reunification Palace. I don't know what it's called. Alagay ko na ako sa baba. Kasi ibang level of Vietnamese language. Hindi ko kaya. So may strips of pork. Noodle. Masarap siya, tangy siya. Tapos lagyan ko ng pampaanghang para may kick. Ang daming leafy greens. I love it. Another tip, never underestimate kung gaano kaanghang kapag sinabi ng isang bansa. Kasi iba yung anghang na alam mo sa alam nila. Grabe, ang anghang talaga. Okay na. Well, it's my fault kasi nilagyan ko ng 2 spoons of chili. So, nasa Aeon Mall ako kasi sobrang init sa labas. So, nagstay ako sa mall para free aircon. So, show and tell of the things that I bought. Yung mga souvenirs para makita nyo yung mga binili ko. Ref magnets, as always. So, nakalagay Saigon, Vietnam, Hanoi, Halong Bay. Lahat yan napunta ako na, pero yung Hanoi na magnet ko hindi siya super nice. So, bumili na lang ulit ng set. I got this for 100,000. And then, I got this keychain. So, ito yung iconic Vietnamese na hat. So, I got this for 30. And then, bumili lang din ako ng mga Vietnam shirt, Saigon, and Tiger Beer. Funny yung kwento nito. Kasi sinabi ko, I'm on my birthday trip. Tapos sinanong kung ilang taon ako. So sabi ko, I'm 25 turning 26. Tapos sabi, Year of the Tiger. Tapos binenta niya sa akin tong Tiger Beer na shirt. Good job naman sa kanya. So itong dalawang to, binili ko siya for 600,000. So it looks looks high quality. Ayun. Ano di mag-fade yung color. Looks cute though.